Hey, if you want to perform the hard reset of your JBL Tune 560 or 570, first of all you have to remove your current connection. So when you are on the boot settings, you have to click on the settings icon, then tap to disconnect and click to forget the device. Then confirm by tapping on the forget device. Now we have to power off Bluetooth on our phone. And here we have to focus on the headphones, so we can find the power button on the right headphone. As you can see in my case, this indicator it's turned on. So to turn it off, we have to click and hold the power button. There we go. Now we have to repeat. So click and hold the power button until this indicator turns blue. There we go. Now we have to use two buttons combination, the play and the pause button and the volume down button. And we have to hold these buttons until this indicator turns white. So let's do this right now. There we go. Now power off your headphones with the power button. And all you have to do right now is just to click and hold this power button and enter for the pairing mode. The hard reset process is finished. There we go. Now on your device, just power on the Bluetooth and click to pair new device. And if you want to repair your headphones with any device, just simply select your JBL Tune 560 or 70 from available devices list. Right now, please subscribe to my channel, and that's all. Bye bye.